Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will see how we can install and download Ubuntu Linux in Microsoft Windows 11. And we will install it in Microsoft Windows 11 using a virtualization software. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a software that will enable us to run Ubuntu inside Windows, which is downloading a virtualization software. So there are two popular virtualization software available for Windows. The first one is Oracle VirtualBox and the second one is VMware. In case of VMware, there is another separate commercial version also available, but that would be overkill for personal use case scenario. Now let's see how we can download a VMware in our Windows device. For that, here I'm gonna type VMware download. Let's hit enter and then let's click on download VMware Workstation player. And then here, as I said that, there is a commercial version also available, but since we just want to run it for personal use, I'm going to download this VMware Workstation player. Let's click on download. And there we go guys, we can see the download for Workstation player has begun. And meanwhile, we can also start downloading Ubuntu. So for that, let's again type here Ubuntu Linux download. And let's click on this link. And again, not to worry guys, I'm going to provide you all these links in the description of this video. From there also you can directly download it. Now here again, it depends on you whether you would like to go with LTS variant or would like to go with the latest version of Ubuntu. I would like to go with this latest one. So let's click here. And now let's wait for a while. And there we go. Here we can see the Ubuntu download also has begun. Now let's go back here and let's install this VMware. Now let's click next and click on I accept the terms and condition. Here you can select this enhanced keyboard driver and click on next. Now it's up to you whether you would like to join this VMware customer experience or would like to uncheck it. Now let's again click next, again another next and install. Now let's wait for the installation process to get completed. And there we go. Now let's click on finish. And then you can restart your system. After you restart your system, you can actually go here and type VMware Workstation player. So let's start this. And then since we would like to use this free for non-commercial use, so we can go without a license key. Now let's click on continue and finish it. Now let's click here on create a new virtual machine. Now here you need to specify your ISO, and I believe we also have successfully downloaded the Ubuntu ISO. So let me quickly show the path. And here we can see, here we have it. So let me select this Ubuntu. Now let's click next. And here I can give it a name. So I'm gonna type my name here. And username that I would like to give in this Linux, and then here I can enter the password. Now let me again click on next, and then here you can specify where you would like to keep your virtual machine. Let's say you have less space in your C drive, then you can choose another drive. So you can simply press Windows and E and then can go here and can see the space available in your drive. In my case, I would like to keep it here in H drive because H drive have got around 500 GB of space, and here I can create a new folder named as virtual machine. Now let me hit OK, and then let's click next. And then here I would like to split a virtual disk in multiple sizes, and then this is again also a default option. Now let's click again next. And then here let's click on customize hardware, and then here you can specify the amount of RAM that you would like to give it to this machine. In my case, I do have 64 gigs, so I can comfortably give this guest system at 16 gigs. Now let's click on processor. Again, depends on you how many processors you would like to give. I'm gonna give it 4, and then here you can keep all remaining settings as it is. Now let's click close and click on finish. Now we will see our VMware running for the first time with Ubuntu Linux. Let me make it full screen and let's see. And there we go guys, we can see Linux for the first time. Now let's click here on top left menu and then let's go to settings. Let's click English and then next, and then I'm gonna click on install Ubuntu, and then from here you can choose your favorite keyboard. And now let me click next, and then here I'm going to select everything as it is. Let's click next, and then again I'm gonna skip, and then here let's click on full installation, next, and then erase and install Ubuntu, install, select your country, next, here you can type your name, and then here we can see the username that you would like to keep, and then click on next. Now again it's up to you which theme you would like to go with. Now let's wait for the installation process to get completed. And there we go guys, here we can see we have successfully installed Ubuntu in our virtual machine. Now let's click on restart now to restart this. Now let me log in. Now let me quickly go here in menu button and type display. In display I'm going to choose the resolution of my system, and then I'm going to click on apply. And there we go guys, now here we can see the Ubuntu is now full screen. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.